Hello, Assalamu Alaikum guys, I'm back with another new video. Today I will show you how to make tractor insurance online in US. So let's go. Tractor insurance online in US. So যাচ্ছি এখন আমরা আমেরিকাতে কিভাবে আপনারা ট্রাক্টর ইন্স্যুরেন্স করবেন। So where you go? Tractor insurance protection irrigation. The zip code 3221 like that. American family insurance. We are not going to like that. আমরা যাব insurance. So tractor and farm equipment insurance coverage. So আমরা এখানে যাব, এখানে যাওয়ার পর আমরা tractor and farm equipment insurance. So get a quick feedback, everything is here available, so we can check here. Tractor and farm equipment insurance coverage. Your tractor is critical for running successful farm and probably some of your biggest investment too. Insuring all of your agriculture equipment from or your tractor to your scan is trade. It's key to keeping your farming operation is running smoothly, especially in the event of unexpected equipment breakdown. Let's take a look at how farm machinery and equipment insurance can protect your investment with customized coverage built for your specific need. So understand farm equipment insurance. So here also available. What is tractor and farm equipment insurance? Your farm equipment help you run a successful business, and if something were to happen to any of you have some pretty major setback, simply put it insurance policy for your tractor and farm equipment help protect your investment and your financially assessed. It is financially safety need to event your equipment is a damage. Causes damage to property for the case damage to another person. Do I need from equipment insurance? So if you have two cars, you probably have a car insurance, right? You have a purchase car insurance protect yourself financially in the event of the incident. This way, you don't have to pay out of pocket for expensive repair that result from unexpected incident. Having insurance for your tractor and farm equipment is important for some person. If you were to get into an incident like work or a fire, if your tractor was stolen, having agriculture machinery insurance will help cover the expensive cost to repair or replace your equipment. What agriculture equipment is covered under farm equipment insurance? From tractor to office equipment, we want to make sure you are protecting everything that help your operation run smoothly. Take a look
at equipment that's typically covered with farm machinery and equipment cover. Tractor combines forage, there is a many equipment list here, you can see, and go losses and damage protect under farm equipment and tractor insurance. When you insure a farm or ranch with American family insurance, your tractor and farm equipment are typically covered against losses and damage caused by events such as fire, lighting, windstorm, hail, smoke, thief, and vandalism and collision. Many things also happen. You also cover under the level 80% of you from entrance policy where using your tractor or other farm equipment you cause essential but bodily injury to another person to damage of their property. Tractor and farm equipment policy. We have invested a lot of time and money is selecting the optional equipment and vehicle for your operation. Take a look at your option for covering your farm machineries and equipment. So here is many things available here. You can see replacement cost for irrigation system. So replacement cost for irrigation are you ready for a tractor from equipment equipped with American family? Let's see what will come. Contact an agent. Search by location. Search name. Again, address like anything you can do. Is that like California, like that, Arizona? Search it. What will come? Loading. Here also available come. You can see home, car, rental, business, condo. Continue. Let's see whatever. We'll see are many things also available. So to guys today for you this video. If you have a farm and if you have a many equipment and machineries for your farm, so you should make it insurance. It will be more benefit for you. So today bye bye. We will come back to you again with another new video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make it and put it the comment where you see in my video. So goodbye.
Sorry ass DJ.